Eye protection on construction sites, ensuring safety and preventing hazards. Construction sites are dynamic environments where numerous activities take place simultaneously, creating an amalgamation of hazards that can pose serious risks to workers. Among the various safety measures, eye protection stands as a critical aspect, as the eyes are particularly vulnerable to a wide range of potential injuries. This video aims to delve into the importance of eye protection on construction sites, the types of eye hazards workers may encounter, and the various types of eye protection equipment available. Importance of eye protection. The human eye is a delicate organ that plays an essential role in perceiving the world around us. On construction sites, workers are exposed to an array of potential eye hazards that include flying debris, dust, chemicals, sparks, radiant energy, and even intense light sources. These hazards can cause various eye injuries such as corneal abrasions, foreign body penetration, chemical burns, and UV radiation damage. Given the irreplaceable nature of sight, safeguarding workers' eyes through appropriate eye protection measures is imperative. Types of eye hazards on construction sites. Flying debris. Construction sites are often bustling with activities like cutting, drilling, and hammering, which can lead to the generation of flying debris. Such particles can easily come into contact with the eyes and cause significant injuries. Dust and particles. Dust and airborne particles are common on construction sites, originating from activities like concrete mixing, sanding, and grinding. Inhaling or getting these particles into the eyes can lead to irritation, infection, or long-term respiratory issues. Chemical exposure. Construction sites often involve the use of various chemicals, including solvents, adhesives, and paints. Accidental splashes or fumes can lead to chemical burns or irritation of the eyes. Radiant energy. Welding, cutting, and grinding operations emit intense radiant energy in the form of UV and infrared radiation. Prolonged exposure can lead to welder's flash, also known as arc eye, which causes pain, sensitivity to light, and temporary vision impairment. Intense light sources. Intense light sources, such as laser beams, are used for various construction tasks. Direct exposure to these sources without proper protection can lead to retinal damage. Types of eye protection equipment. Safety glasses. Safety glasses with impact-resistant lenses are the most basic form of eye protection. They provide a barrier against flying debris and particles. Some models come with side shields for additional protection. Safety goggles. Goggles provide a snugger fit and seal around the eyes, protecting them from dust, debris, and chemicals. They are particularly effective when dealing with hazards that can come from various angles. Face shields. Face shields provide full face protection and are used in conjunction with safety glasses or goggles. They are effective against high-velocity impacts, chemicals, and radiant energy. Welding helmets. For protection against welding-related hazards, welding helmets with darkened lenses shield the eyes from intense light and UV radiation, preventing arc eye and long-term damage. UV protective eyewear. When working with UV radiation sources, such as welding or UV curing, special eyewear with UV filtering properties is crucial to prevent eye damage. Best practices for eye protection. Risk assessment. Identify potential eye hazards on the construction site and determine the appropriate eye protection for each task. Correct fit. Ensure that eye protection equipment fits properly and comfortably to avoid discomfort and encourage consistent usage. Regular maintenance. Inspect eye protection regularly for scratches, cracks, or other defects that could compromise their effectiveness. Training. Provide thorough training to workers about the importance of eye protection, the types of hazards they may encounter, and how to properly use and maintain eye protection equipment. Emergency preparedness. Educate workers about what to do in case of eye injuries and ensure that eye wash stations and first aid supplies are readily accessible. Eye protection is a fundamental aspect of ensuring the safety and well-being of workers on construction sites. The eyes are sensitive organs that are susceptible to a range of hazards, including flying debris, dust, chemicals, radiant energy, and intense light sources. By understanding the types of hazards and selecting appropriate eye protection equipment, construction site managers and workers can work together to prevent eye injuries and maintain a safe working environment. Through diligent adherence to best practices and proper training, the construction industry can significantly reduce the occurrence of eye-related accidents and promote a culture of safety.